Hello. I just want to do a quick update. People a little bit of time to get in here. So we got our models training today across 32 GPUs. We got a Mellanox switch, an SB 7800, got GPU Direct RDMA potentially. The switch has Sharp. You can so it can do hierarchical reduces inside of the switch, allegedly. If your nickel is the right version, we should update our nickel. Well, if we update our nickel, I bet it'll get faster, but it's already mad fast. I'm streaming. Want to say hi?
No.
You don't want to say hi?
Not in the mood.
Oh, hi. Yeah, so much parallel, right? So actually, you guys aren't looking at the parallel right now. So here I am, SSH into 4 machines. GPU 7, 9, 8, and 5. Don't ask where 6 went. This is the model. It's converging tons faster than the old model. Not only are these epochs happening faster, but yeah, look, we're already at negative 2.5 losses. And if we go over here to the model that was trained on a single computer, if we want to get over to negative 2.5 losses, man, we got to scroll for a while. It's like here, it's at epoch 102. And here we're only at epoch 30. No, I'm good. So it's blazingly fast. We're going to take you on a quick data center. Sorry, not a data center. We have not a data center. It's definitely not a data center. We're going to show it off to you guys right here live on this stream. You know why I do these streams? We're shilling. We're looking to hire new people for the research team. If you want to come here, it's about a 3-year push probably now to solve self-driving cars. Maybe it's less. Maybe it's less. All the pieces are coming together. We all should have seen the writing on the wall with value prediction networks. I think that was a 2017 era paper. There's a new one. There was one from Jan LeCun at iClear last year. And then, of course, there was mu0 at the end of last year. And mu0 dynamics models are the key to solving self-driving cars. We just need to put it all together. We have the data sets required. We have the GPU power required. We just need a bit of code written and debugged. And in some ways, we're kind of in the home stretch. It's a long home stretch, but all the pieces are finally in place. So let's go over to the data center. For the haters who are like, oh, comma, it's all fake, man. It's not fake. Look at that money. Look at that money. Does that money look fake to you? That's $323,000 in 30 days. We're rich. Comma's profitable. You guys know that. Look at all this trash. Look at all these comma 2s ready to ship. Buy yours today. These are ones with cosmetic defects waiting to be fixed. These are all the ones that are ready to ship. But let's go into the NADA data center. All right, so it's loud as hell in here, mostly because of that switch. Oh, it's so loud. Look at these beautiful things. Look at that. This is to prevent the dust from getting into them. Yeah. Look at this. It is so scaldingly hot back here. You guys wouldn't believe how hot it is. Look at all that Ethernet interconnectedness. Oh, look at the switches, blinking lights. Here's our brand new Mellanox switch. Wow. Yeah, that's our data center. Look at our racks and racks of 3D printers. We got racks on racks on racks. That's what the rappers were talking about. They were talking about racks. Look at these racks. Whoa, crazy amount of racks. This switch is so loud. And we got more machines over here. Yeah, the cloud, boys, the cloud. Oh, that's our data center. Here's our big array of harnesses. Look at all the different kinds of harnesses you can buy. Look at all of them. Get your harness today. We have one for your car. Doesn't matter what it is, unless it's a Ford, then we don't have it. But if it's one of those cars, we have it. Here are all the things that fail QA, a surprising amount. Here's our big QA board. You guys seen this full of comma twos. Look at that money, boys. Look at that money. All right. Yeah, we have a VW harness, I think. These are going in the computers. They're new backplanes. Got a bunch more computers there, and guess what is over here? Even more computers. These are going to be the new SSD computers. We're scaling everything up. Get ready for some really big models. We have a micro intern coming tomorrow for the research team, which, like I said, we're expanding the research team fast because we're in the home stretch, boys. We're going to solve self-driving cars. You know, it's been 5 years. We're going to finish the project. Like, it's what it is. What we build, it's AlphaGo. It's really just AlphaGo. Tiny twist. You need to ensure two things. You don't have you can't use a dynamics model that you hand coded like AlphaGo. So you got to use it like mu0. You got to learn it. And then you got to ensure that it stays on the map and doesn't go off policy. But there's great tricks for that. It's just a question of implementing all this stuff and building it. We have a beautiful vision vector feature space. That's actually what I'm training right here. This is a vision model which reduces the driving down to a 2048 dimensional feature vector. With one line, I can scale this up. This is running an EfficientNet B2, but we can run B4s on the comma 2, so you guys are going to be getting a B4. We got to make big model. We got to scale the box up. But this is all coming soon. This is the home stretch. I guess. I mean, it's not, you know. It's all coming together. How about that? Our goal is to solve level 3 in 3 years. Don't ever say I said some unrealistic bullshit. I did not. But yeah, we think level 3 within 3 years is actually achievable. The definition of level 3 that we're using is every time the car is going to make a mistake, which it may still make mistakes, but it knows it in advance. The problem's not hardware. You know, I always say that. Level 3 in 3 years. 3 years. The photo coloring project. The photo coloring project is doing so well. Oh, it's doing so well. Let's go over to comma.ai. Hang on, just in case there's secrets. Can't show off any secrets. Yeah, check out comma 10K. It's coming along so well. They've almost labeled 5,000 images. And give me a second, I'll bring up some stuff to show you. You think I don't know how to stick another camera on something? When it's time for the next camera, it's time for the next camera. We're still using like none of the camera that's on there. The problem is not hardware. Get Your LiDAR company is acquired by Scam Spacs for $3.4 billion. It's all the wrong way of thinking about it. It doesn't help. If you can't solve the problem on one camera, you can't solve self-driving cars. I tell you what the solution is. It's deep learning. Big deep learning. AlphaGo, AlphaZero, mu0. You got to take it a little bit further because we don't have a reward function. You got to deal with that. How do you deal with that? Stay in the map, right? Drive like a human, right? Stay in the map. I think that's actually the only reward function you might need. So Yeah, check out the Jan LeCun paper. I talked about it a few times ago. What do you need for level 5? The same thing, just more of it. Now here I can show you what that what concretely what the new labeling is doing. So we have train 3? Yeah, here we go. So this is my trainer for the SegNet. I'll just bring it up here. Yeah, this. Okay. Let me. I gotta zoom this to match. Okay. That's not even close to matching. Wow. Okay, never mind. It doesn't match. But look at this. So this is Epoch 260 with only 3,000 images labeled. And then once we got 5,000 images labeled, look at Epoch 260 there. The val set and the law set are the val set and the train set are on top of each other. What were we saying about how it can invert data? Yeah, so if you guys want to join before the big takeoff, now's the time. Tesla is not at level 3. No. Nobody is at level 3. The deep learning model cannot invent data. What, like lane changing? How do you think we get the lane changing? How do you think we ground truth that? Right? Just another deep learning model. We have, so the path, yeah, I can show you. I was writing loss functions today in PyTorch. I can show you the loss function. XX, tools, ML path, torch. So here, this is the loss function we're using. So if we look in, I think it's in model. Oh my God. You guys. Why do you think the action space needs to be discrete? Oh, should I update my Chrome? Chrome is out of date. Oh no. Why do we switch from TensorFlow to PyTorch? Because PyTorch sucks. Now where's I think it's in train. No, it's not in train. It's in super combo. Yeah, there we go. So if you look here, we have plan MHPN equals 5, meaning that it's actually outputting 5 possible plans for the car. Lift level 5 has a new Kaggle challenge. Let's see what their Kaggle challenge is. Lift Kaggle. Oh, it's 3D object detection. Is this the one? Ah, God. 3D object detection, not something anybody needs. You think you're detecting 3D objects? You're not. You're definitely, oh, we gotta make the thing reason using this stuff, because otherwise how can we prove that it's good? You know, you can't prove that it's good. But how do you prove that humans are good? You can't. Yeah, who's writing the cone detector? Gotta make sure you got a 3D model for that cone. That's the old one. What's the new one? Did they give up on this stuff? Did they give up on 3D object detection? What's the new one called? You think corporate espionage could ever be a real concern for me? Dude, I tell you guys everything. You know, you want to be a spy? You just got to watch the streams. They're concerned about corporate espionage.
Why?
They're also
On which end?
We're
also doing corporate espionage?
No. That someone's going to come corporate espionage us. They're also.
I mean, that'd be delightful.
They're also very concerned about the single camera.
Single camera.
Well, they say you can't solve self-driving cars with a single camera.
How can you solve self-driving cars?
I mean, not with a single camera, apparently.
We're only doing single camera forever.
Yo, guys, we're buying LiDARs, all right? Luminar, man, Luminar. Get your SPACs here.
Did you talk about that?
Yo, my friend texted me this morning. He's like, have you considered a SPAC?
Is that
Yeah.
Tom?
No. My friend from home. He's in voice finance.
I think we should do a SPAC.
Solve it with half a camera. Yeah, now we're talking. No.
A man with one eye can drive.
Twitch did not give me a partnership, so I stream on YouTube now.
Well, you're on YouTube?
Yeah,
That's betrayal.
Twitch didn't give me my partnership deal.
Did they at least formally reject you?
No, they did not.
They just ignored you.
I'm
Why don't you pull some strings?
I'm in Twitch purgatory right now. I don't want to pull any strings. Either Twitch accepts me for who I am, or I stream on YouTube.
PewDiePie? What is this?
Hey, if it's good enough for Dr. Disrespect, it's good enough for me. No, come on. This isn't a Twitch stream. This is an official comma.ai stream. I showed them the data
Wait,
center.
this is on our official channel?
Yeah, I showed them the data center. I showed them the
You can't
money.
shit talk on our official channel.
I showed them the money we've been making. I showed them the 32 GPU PyTorch trainer.
It's incredible.
I know. No, Alex, like this is it. We're in the home stretch. Level 3 in 3 years.
We're in the home stretch.
I mean, yeah, just combine Mu Zero with Jan LeCun's paper.
One camera.
Guys, can you drive a car from the Eon feed? What can you not do? No, you can't. Why? Because you can't check your blind spots? Well, guess what? The Hyundai Sonata 2020 Limited has blind spot sensors.
Should we take him on a drive this week?
Yeah, maybe.
We haven't been on a drive in a long time.
No, we haven't. What if it throws a model lag error? We're fixing
It has
it.
been doing that.
We're fixing it. We gotta complain more. We gotta be more. You know, the model lag errors are bad. The out of focus errors.
When you take one this week, on Friday,
Yeah, we're fixing it. Don't worry.
what else are they complaining about?
I'm on it. Best car for openpilot? Corolla probably still.
When is the Sonata going to be the best?
They want to see you.
Guys, there's a physical
They're
therapy
like,
today and I don't have any pants on.
They're like, who's the other person speaking? Oh, just pull a chair over. You're good.
I like my anonymity.
Alex wants her anonymity. You tried your challenge to get into the company. It's pretty hard, but you have an idea. Yeah, the challenge is pretty hard. No, it's not too hard.
I've been sending
People
out
can
to
do
a
it.
lot of people.
We met on LinkedIn searching for opportunities in business.
Please stop messaging me on LinkedIn. It's one of the worst parts about working here. The LinkedIn spam.
The LinkedIn, yeah, no, the LinkedIn spam, really. So look, come work here and solve self-driving cars for real. With like deep learning, not with, well, I gotta draw a 3D box around my objects, and then I will gather all the boxes together, and then
I gotta make fun of everyone else's technique.
Because I don't know what else to do. You're gonna get more boxes, right? You're gonna get boxes. And then someone's eventually gonna realize, guys, we can use the LiDAR for more than localization. Look, it can help make boxes.
LiDAR's worth a lot of money. We learned that this week.
Guys, I'm calling it now, SPACs are the new ICOs.
No, they really are. You nailed it.
Yeah.
Less risk.
When launched the common token on Uniswap? Yeah.
Our ICO dreams are over.
We need to be able to map all the cones in the world in real time. You need to know the dimensions of the cone, the 3D spatial position of the cone.
You tell me we're hiring a cone person.
So it's like I say it as a joke, but like there's really guys doing that, you know? Let's pour one out for the cone people.
Can I get the thing?
The stick?
I found the stick the other day.
Oh, you found the stick. Well, we lost keyboards.
Wish I was 2 years in the future.
Wish you were 2 years in the future.
Tesla has comma models.
I don't even know what a bollard is.
Yeah, me
But you know
neither.
who probably does know what a bollard is? The openpilot vision model, because it was trained end to end on shit tons of data. It's like doing it the hard way on purpose. You mean with the boxes or with the end to end? I mean, yeah, there's some things that are hard about the end to end. It involves a lot more like thinking and debugging than just like, boxes can be done by very mediocre software engineers.
We could take. They want to see the
What do they want to say?
the dashboards.
Oh, you guys want to see dashboards? Bollard is a pole.
It's a poll.
Yeah. What do you want to see on the dashboards?
Stats.
Tell you stats. Okay, so our total miles ever is 29 million. Our OpenPilot miles is 25.8 million. They've grown tremendously in the last year. Here's where around the world people are driving right now. You see some over here in Asia, some here in Europe. You got a few guys over in the Middle East.
We have no users in Africa.
And we have no users in Africa.
Or we have Brazilian users. I wonder where they are.
Let's zoom in on them. Nope. Oh, wait. No, they're right there. I can see them here on the route map.
Oh, you can?
Yeah, they're right down
I
there.
wonder why they don't show up.
Yeah. This is like the density map of comma. So I hope that the uptrend in the deviations is fake. This is us measuring the average deviations of how much the model and controls aren't listening to each other. Here's our devices. We have like 1,500 daily active users, almost 2,500 weekly active users. Yeah, and a lot of miles. Like just 6 months ago, we had 18 million miles.
It's amazing.
It's like
Show them all the
50%
forks.
growth.
I like the fork one a lot.
Oh, here's the forks.
So colorful.
Yeah, who's got forks? Dragon
One of
Pilot,
these clowns is
Kegman, Boggiver, Shane. Yeah. Do we separate miles of right-hand drive countries? No, we don't. We do separate. The model now has a separate, has an input which says, yo, are you driving on the right or the left? But yeah.
I'm sure on your personal stream you play GeoGuessr.
Have I thought about targeting government organizations as potential customers? That sounds boring. Okay, you know what? Just for the haters on YouTube, we're gonna do this once. We have thousands of users, are making hundreds of thousands of dollars every month, are profitable, have the second largest network of self-driving cars. Why would we go out and seek out new customers or seek out investors or change our business model? You know who should change their business model? Everyone who doesn't have users is losing millions of dollars every month. Oh. Right? Oh no. But they're putting boxes around cones. That's the right way to solve self-driving cars. Yeah. Now don't worry. If your box strategy doesn't work out, you can just do a SPAC.
I think the sentiment is that they want us to be successful.
What's that about?
With the questions.
Oh no, yeah. I'm sure. I'm not hating on the YouTube people. So, I've been doing this for so many years now, and no one listens.
Why do you get the sense that people are not listening?
It takes too
Where's
long.
the evidence?
It
Where's
takes
the
too
evidence?
long for them to listen.
No.
I mean, yeah, Zooks did get sold at a fire sale. I haven't heard it from Cruise in a long time.
Cruz thought about buying Zooks.
Someone has too much money. Yo, I'm a blind guy. I'm gonna hire a blind guy to lead me around.
What do you think the next thing we're going to see from Cruz is?
Well, they're going to take the Cruise Origin and they're going to put up polycarbonate shields between the seat and talk about how the Cruise Origin now is coronavirus safe.
How much money would you pay to go on a Cruise Origin? Is it even real?
Yo, that one Cruise Origin costs more than a comma.
Literally.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think people fully comprehend that.
Any big hardware in the next 6 months. We have an official policy now on hardware deprecation. All hardware that hasn't been sold, after it hasn't been sold for a year, it's deprecated in openpilot. That's the policy going forward.
I think it's reasonable.
Yeah. So big hardware, you mean comma 2s? They already launched. Big models, on the other hand, those are coming soon to every comma 2. 08 is going to be a really nice release. We got to fix the model lags, or fix all the lags.
We are going to fix that.
It's all going to be fixed for 08. We're coming out with the new SegNet model. Finally, comma 10K is going to.
Can we do a shout out for the 10K people?
A shout out to PJ Lau. Who else? Let's do some shout outs of the people who I've seen contributing to comma 10K. Of course, PJ Lau has been our great coordinator of comma 10K. I see Cedric SKE. I see Vacu on here a whole bunch. Let's look at closed pull request. That's going to be a good one. Cedric SKE, definitely. Spectre 56, Dr. Sleepless. You guys are all improving the future of openpilot. You know, we wouldn't be able to make the data big. Oh, a thing that's already in the new models. It outputs 4 lanes now and the edges of the road. Guess what that's for? Guess what that's for? Who knows? Who knows? Why would I want 4 lanes and the edges of the road if my driving is end to end? Could I explain the HD maps? There we go. You guys know what's up. It's finally happening. The trick to HD maps is you have to do the map making almost entirely on the device. And that's why we have the localizer. That's why the model is going to output 4 lanes and road edges. And then the reduce is going to be something cheap. Because the reduce used to be so expensive. Like we were doing all the localization in the cloud, and clouds are really expensive. But getting people to buy the hardware and then running it on their device, now that's a win. See, it's a cloud, but other people pay you for it. Make sure to pay your comma prime bill. You don't only use your eyes to drive, you use the existing models of the world. Yeah, what do you think's inside the model? You know, what do you think it's learning right now? It's learning all about the world from our 25 million miles of driving data. The dude just asked if the comma 2 was suitable for tropical climates. The heat issues, I know there were some issues this summer. They're going to be better next summer. As openpilot becomes more CPU efficient, we're going to do a slight down clock on the CPU. And then
Very happy about that.
I think, yeah. The down clock will make a lot of people happy. It's running kind of at the edge. Because we shipped also big driver monitoring model. The driver monitoring model is an efficient net. We quadrupled the pixels. When will comma go IPO? Why do I want an IPO? I want to solve self-driving cars.
Distractions.
IPOs sound expensive. We're a profitable company. We don't need to scam investment banks out of money. So what's an IPO, right? Sorry, I might want to work with investment banks in the future. I shouldn't say things about them.
Some investment banks have reached out to us.
Ugh, investment banks. Does autopilot work? It'll work on dirt roads. Do I ever rewatch your TechCrunch pitch? It was funny and insightful. It's all right. Stay private if you can. We plan to stay private.
We don't want people telling us what to do or trying to tell us what to do.
Why? Am I on Adderall? No.
Guys, George is not on Adderall. He is on. Hold on.
Oh yeah, show him the mate. Yo, no, we got going around the office. We got mates. Are the dashboards public? No. Yeah, yo, yak check. We have been on the Yak Check.
The whole company.
Yo,
addicted.
check them out. We got a fridge full of them. Come work here, drink some Yak Check. Do I recommend Adderall? No. Follow your doctor. I'm not a doctor. I'm a self-driving car guy.
Can Yak Check sponsor us?
Yo, Yak Check, if you want to sponsor us, seriously, we'll chill for you, man. I'll put an ad on comma.ai. I'll put an ad on the website. You missed the server tour, yeah.
You can watch it later.
You can watch it later, that's right. I understand not just eyes, but what I see is interpreted in full details. You mean with your visual cortex? Your comma 2 has one of those. Yeah, what kind of question is that? Boodad on the comma 2.
List of people you hate. Savage.
Nah, you guys missed the office tour. Self-driving horses.
We give a lot of office tours.
We do. Merch plug. Do we even have merch anymore?
New merch is coming soon.
Oh, the new merch is coming soon?
Soon TM.
All right.
Hoodies for the fall. Not going to be cheap, though.
Oh, yeah, yo. I just remembered it because I posted it in Discord. If you have Comma Prime and you didn't sign up for the trial and you're like, oh, wow, nobody remembered to cut off my service. I'm coming for you. I got 430-something SIM cards that are about to get deactivated. By the way, if you want to come work here and write a cron job to do the deactivation script automatically, full stack engineer, infrastructure engineer, React, if you went to boot camps, probably not.
No one who's been to a boot camp has passed our...
Yeah, I know. It's sad. What do SREs really do? Everyone here is expected to code. Everyone's here is expected to be on call when their code breaks something.
We just prefer good. I don't care where you came from.
Elon has rockets, man.
I think Elon.
You see, he got rockets, you know. You just got to realize that all you got to do is type in a different, the space station or, I don't know. What do we want to hit with the rocket, you know? Once you're, ICBMs are rockets.
Oh, that's sick burn.
What?
Elon does have side cameras.
Elon has side cameras. You guys, who do you think can drive better, openpilot or you looking at the openpilot camera?
What are you going on, Lex Friedman?
Oh, Lex Friedman part 2? It was discussed. I don't know. Am I a part 2 guy?
I think Elon's a part 2 guy.
Elon's a part 2 guy.
I think you're going to be a part 2 guy.
Maybe.
You should do it again, I agree.
I think we have something after the thing next year.
Okay.
The thing, yeah.
Okay. Whatever you want.
Thing. No. I don't care if you're... See, the problem with 2D boxes weren't that they were 2D. The problem is that they were boxes. And a lot of companies, like, they put 2D boxes around things. And then they're like, if only the boxes were 3D, our self-driving cars would work. They won't work better.
Yeah,
The reason follow-up was good, yeah.
It was different. It was really different, but I thought it was good, too.
Yeah, I mean, you know, it was 2017. We were hyping everything, man. We were hyping Brave. We were hyping every shitcoin. And then, you know, by the time it's like 2020, well, you know, Bitcoin and Ethereum, bros.
So what's the next big thing for the smartphone?
4 cameras.
I mean, obviously.
Gotta be. Otherwise, how would people know you're rich? And you don't have, you know, like, show them.
Yeah.
See, look, people know she's rich because she's got 3 cameras.
Yeah. Oh.
They're complaining about the sugar in the Montes.
Look, I told the team there's too much sugar, but, you know, those young metabolisms are still good. It's at least... Oh, look, the caffeine's organic.
Oh
my God, you can't drink this, George. It has 33 grams of sugar in it. Did you have one of these today?
Yeah.
Disgusting.
I mean,
Drink your yerba mate.
it's a good amount of grams. No, I would appreciate
66% of your daily total value.
Yeah.
Is this why you want dinner?
No, I already got dinner. I went to Carl Strauss. Does it need the sugar?
No.
Ah. Yo. You guys make us a custom.
We would like a custom yak check.
What quantity do we have to order to get a custom yak check?
Wait, Red Bull has triple?
Wait, how much sugar in Red Bull?
Yeah, I want to know too.
Sugar in Red Bull. I spelled sugar wrong.
Similar.
37 grams.
This is 33. This is 34.
Wait, but this can
It's a lot bigger than a Red
is
Bull.
16 ounces. Am I right?
15.5.
Ah.
A Red Bull can is 12 ounces.
Reusable rockets. All right, guys.
I think we're good.
Yeah, thank you all for watching the stream. Get ready to see the solution to self-driving cars become obvious in the next year, become implemented in the next 1 or 2.
Like, people want to come be our janitor. Like, we do need people in the back.
We don't, though. We don't. You see, that's the problem with all of those people is they're going to require way too much effort to manage.
I don't know. Cutting thermal pads is not very hard.
Oh, you'd be surprised. You know, not everybody puts the boxes together in the right orientation. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Big models coming soon. OpenPilot 0.8.
Hiring at comma.ai.
Hiring a comma.ai.
A work authorized person to be our navigation designer.
We do the mean later. Yeah, we're doing the BCE logits. We do the mean outside. Looking forward to the side cameras.
Jump in the Discord.
Just a question. If we were to sell the comma side camera, how much would you pay for it?
Yeah, that's a reasonable question.
Yeah.
Well, everyone goes quiet.
Yeah, how much? A lot. All right, let's hear some dollars. $69, $200.
They're never getting side cameras.
Oh, they're never getting side cameras. Oh, 400, 500 to 1,000. All right, now you're getting closer. Yeah, you're 500. You're getting closer. That's on top of a comma 2, right? If it was a special comma 2 with the side camera edition. Um, 476. Is it a 12K camera? 1080p. What do you guys think? 1080p? Is that a good number?
You're too good to know.
720. No, all right.
Did you show Comma Europe?
$19.99. Now we're talking. That's a good price for side cameras. We also have an office in Europe. I'm not allowed to go there right now, but some of y'all are. If you're interested in a job on the OpenPilot team,
Software engineers.
they're hiring out at Comma Europe. Software engineers. That $19.99 price. You know, that's a price I can get behind. If there's ever side cameras, that's how much they're going to cost.
At least.
At least, yeah. 2020. Wow, that's a better price.
2021.
Whoa. Cameras don't cost $20. You got to get a lens for that camera, too.
I think, yeah, they usually at least $30.
$30, yeah.
At least $30.
No. Yup. Stocks are the same in the EU.
We opened the door?
You guys, it's not just the camera. You're buying the work that goes into putting the camera on the comma 2. You know, the duct taping, the gluing, right? That's
Labor.
That's labor. You know, minimum wage in California is like $15. 12. In addition to a comma 2, so you mean 22? Subscription model. That's why we have a firm.
Did you troll Ghost on here?
No, we didn't troll Ghost. The frame rate's 20 FPS. Look, man, if some company says, "Oh, we got space age safety and we don't test on cars," I mean, you know, you can decide how seriously.
No, they're charging a massive install fee.
Well, what's the install fee?
I think $3,500
Wow, we're charging way too little. You guys, I'm up
just to install.
no ML in EU, only openpilot. Wow.
And they're saying it could even be more.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a suggestion.
All I'm hearing is that I should go into Shopify right now and raise the price of the comma 2.
Should we get the dice out? They're in here somewhere.
Yeah, who remembers the good old days of rolling the dice?
Why are those the good old days? That could be today.
2 cameras, buy 2 comma 2s. See that these people know what's up.
They're on to something.
Costa has more cameras.
What did I say?
all right. I can't wait. Until
Are you bullish?
I don't know. 2020 all included. Well, it's not all included. You gotta buy a harness too.
I would love to access what?
More access to CAN buses. What do you think that the
Did you tell them
cameras
about the truck?
have to do with CAN? Oh, the F-150?
Yeah.
I thought about buying an F-150 because I want to see if I'm a pickup truck guy. And then I was like, all right, we're going to port openpilot to the F-150. But then I remembered that it's the Ford, and we didn't do it.
So we would take another carport person.
HD maps. You guys know what's happening. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we'd hire a carport person. You know what's happening next year, though, with the HD maps, guys? Navigation. Key part of the roadmap. Shout out to the Chewing Eyes Club. Will COM ever support the Model 3? No. Does Android support iOS?
What kind of question is that?
Yeah. Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you all for watching. Why do we need HD maps for navigation? Lane changes. The problem with, so if you have most navigation routing, you have to know in advance when you want to do the lane changes. You might be able to do it without it, but if you really want to get to level 3, like, there's a certain kind of HD map that plays a role. It's not a role that's used for, it's used for navigation. It's not used for precise localization and driving. I think we're going to use Mapbox, at least kind of to start.
I have to tell you, someone wrote in today. An
Mapbox?
alternative solution.
Wait, who? Oh, are they trying to sell me some solution? It's crap.
Someone from OpenPilot reached out to them. You seen it?
What? All I know is if someone's trying to sell it to you, it's crap because they can hire a sales guy and not hire an engineer who's actually going to make it good.
It's not fun when you're not on Twitch. You can't just go into your browser and look at stuff.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't like that.
It's just watching me. Yeah. Well, Twitch should make me a partner. No, I don't want any government money, guys. It comes with strings attached.
Talking about government money. Really, Tesla?
You're talking about government money. Yeah, it comes with strings attached. Before you know it, you're
Guys,
filling out.
nothing's free.
You're filling out some like environment and like how many Americans did you hire or something? Like you're opening an office in Europe. You took government money. You can't do that. See, there's just like rules then. How would the model interact with HD maps? You guys will see. Think about it like this. We're going to get a camera and we're going to get a Waze and we're going to point the camera at the Waze, except it's HD Waze and the camera is virtual, like that. All right, guys.
Very clear.
Thanks for watching the stream. Hiring.comma.ai or something.
What?
Comma.ai/jobs?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Hiring at comma.ai.
Perfect. Bye.